Now today I am teaching you fuel. First you should know what is the meaning of the fuel. Fuel means the substance is burned and give the light and heat. That is the fuel. All the fuel given the heat. You know it now. Question the type of the fuel. Three type of the fuel. One is the solid fuel. You can say coal is the solid. Coal, wood, this is the solid fuel. And liquid fuel, you can say petrol, kerosene, diesel are the liquid fuel. And gaseous fuel, you can say natural gas, generally methane, and you can say LPG, the gas, liquid petroleum gas, generally used to the butane. So this is the three type of the idea, three type of the fuel there. Character of an ideal fuel. To whom you will say this is the ideal fuel. Ideal fuel means first thing is there, easy available all the time, low ignition temperature, easy can burn it there, not given any type of the smoke, not given any type of the pollution. That is known as the ideal fuel. Ideal fuel easily available all the places, readily we will use it there. That is known as the ideal fuel. Now you can say there, our government made an ideal fuel LPG gas. How first LPG gas was not an ideal fuel. Was not an ideal fuel. Why? Because not easily available, high cost is there. That's why government taken some step to take the make it the ideal fuel, because it is not given any type of the pollutant. LPG gas one is there, only given the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not a complete combustion take place. That's why it not produce any type of the pollutant is there. That's why now government start to make it ideal fuel. Due to this, what has done is there. You Pradhan Mantri given the free of the cost given to the LPG gas to all the poor people. After that, now all the places easily will be available there. Available means now you ring it there, next day LPG gas will come in your door. Door to door supply given is there. And after that, some money will be given to government, subsidy has given government to make it ideal fuel. Why? Because before the 20 or 30 years, LPG gas was not an ideal fuel, not easy available there, high cost was there. Poor people cannot use this one. That's why government save to the pollution. They will make it an ideal fuel by taking some of the steps there and make it ideal fuel. Now it becomes the ideal fuel because all the people, poor people also use it there, because they will get the subsidy, will get it there, and free cost. Pradhan Mantri has given the LPG to all the poor people. Or now if you want to take it there, only you will ring one time. Second day in the LPG come in your door. So it become now easily available and not given any type of the pollution. You know LPG gas burn it there, not residues are left it there. That's why it become the ideal fuel. Now fuel efficiency, calorific value. Now you can say what is the meaning of the calorific value? Means burning of a mass substance, complete combustion, how much heat will it produce? Suppose that I ask one question there. Is written there the calorific value, the calorific value of hydrogen gas is 150 joule per gram. Written there. What do you understand by this? It means that 1 gram of the hydrogen will be burned there. If it complete combustion takes place is there, it given the 150 joule of energy. It will be produced here. That is the meaning of this calorific value. Calorific means mass of the substance, unit mass of the substance burning is there. How much heat will be given is there? That is measured in the joule. That is known as the calorific value. 1 gram of the substance burning, otherwise 1 kg of the substance burning is there. How much heat will be produced is there? That is known as the calorific value of the substance. Now pollution problem caused by the combustion of the fuel. Now you see what the problem has come when the pollution problem has come by the combustion. First air pollution has come. When we are burning the substance, some dust has come in there. This dust will be allergic reaction, allergy take place in the body. Smoke has bring the respective problem. Carbon monoxide, you know, this is the highly poisonous gas. And when we are taken this, if we are taken incomplete combustion take place is there. First, we should know how carbon monoxide is the form. When carbon will be burned insufficient of oxygen, then it forms carbon monoxide. Actually, carbon monoxide not complete the object. Due to what happens, it inhaling it there, it come into the blood and oxyhemoglobin. In our body there is the oxyhemoglobin, but this carbon monoxide mix is there, match is carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin unable to oxidize the food. That's why it is a poisonous gas. You will die there. So third problem has got carbon dioxide has come greenhouse effect. Now we should know there what is the meaning of the greenhouse effect. If more carbon dioxide come in the atmosphere, it is the heavier gas. Carbon dioxide is the heavier gas. Due to this, what happens? This carbon dioxide will come in the atmosphere. Then what happens? The reflected ray of the sunlight. What happens? They will trap it there. By the trapping, what happens? All the place become very hot because light will come to the earth. After the reflection go to the atmosphere, it will be trapped by the carbon dioxide. If it will be trapped by the carbon dioxide, then our earth becomes very hot, and this is known as the greenhouse effect. Now sulfur, oxide of the sulfur damage lungs and acid rain. We know that what is the acid rain. All the non-metal, sulfur is the non-metal. So burning of the sulfur dioxide, sulfur burn into the air with the presence of the oxygen. We know that it makes the sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide mixed with the water, coming to the water. Now you see it there. Then it forms the S2, SO3. Due to this water, it is the acid, sulfurous acid, coming to the earth. They make the soil, change the soil of the chemistry. Soil becomes the acidic, water becomes the acidic. So due to this what happens, it will be very effect in our soil also. We cannot grow well. All the same because soil already become the acidic medium. No seed will grow it there. That way it makes the soil acidic and water. You know, aquatic life will be gone due to the more of the acid rain. So what happens? This acid rain, why acid rain affect to the aquatic animal? Generally, what happens? Aquatic animal, male and female, both lay the egg on the water, and this reproduction takes place outside of the body. Due to this, what happens in there? If more acid there, acid damage the egg, male and female. Due to this, what happens? Zygote not take place in there.